Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm just waiting on that other video to load I just made about the Extrude Tool, and I was playing around with it. So I did this, and you can kind of see a bevel because I put a bevel on it. So just go down to Drop Shadow and hit Extrude, and put it a little bit that direction. Then go up to your color like we did on the before. Pick the color and go from one color to the other. And I didn't really rotate it enough. Go back to the Extrude Tool, go to Rotation. Let's rotate a little bit. And for the video, that's going to be good enough. Now you can put a bevel right here and use bevel. You click on that and change this to a larger number. This is a pretty cool effect. Now, whether it's going to engrave very good, I don't really know. You're almost going to have to engrave it like you did before. And with this selected, go to Object and break it apart. Then you can take that part, and I'm going to cursor over. And see, this is the one that has our bevel. So I'm going to left click, right click, and now you have bevel lines, and we're going to make them thicker than a hairline. And I'm still working on somebody's page that I did some work for. So I made it the darker lines. Now we can take this E and just move it out of the way. Get our Smart Fill tool. Fill this in with black. And then you could go back and fill in these individual ones with a lesser gray. It takes just a little bit of time, but it might be worth it. And because your outline is black, I would do it just like I said before, and I would engrave it twice. I don't know that I can hit that line. Yes, I did. So, and one thing you want to do is take your outline. Let's use the pick tool. Take our outline. Might be hard to grab just the outline. Well, let's do this. Let's just select the outline. See, it's got no color, but we can make an outline. Well, let's do this. Let's zoom back in. Let's take our black and just cursor it over. Now we should take our outline and make it a little bit, let's make it a little bit thicker for the video so you can see the bevel a little bit more. But what is happening, the gray is not showing up on this bevel right here. So we're going to move that down, and we're going to select this, and we're going to go put it in the back of the page. So then when you put your bevel back, your lines will be perfect. Now what I would do, and just like in the previous video, this isn't going to engrave, and this really probably isn't for an engraver, but let's move this all the way over a little bit, move this, double click it, so that's what it's going to look like. And that isn't all that good looking, but it is a good effect. And there's actually, I've got some lines that are going past there because I probably made them too thick. So let's make them a little bit thinner. Let's move that out of the way. Grab our outline. Let's make it 1. Our lines are still past it. Anyway, I would do just like in the previous video. Let's get that out of the way for a second. I would grab this and move it out of the way. I'll maybe even do 3 passes on this. So let's get that and move it completely out of the way, and then let's group this, Control G, and let's just move that clear out of the way. So what I would do, and that's one thing nice about the nudge tool, it's in the same spot. I would maybe run, you could probably run both these together, run them at 100 power and 50 speed per se, and then take them out of the way, out of the picture, and just bring this back in the 2 clicks, and it's in the same spot. And then run that, like I said, and this is playing. because you want it lightly engraved. I'd say 100 speed or 100 power at 80 speed, and then you can move your whole thing back, and that's kind of what it looked like to be engraved. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.